Listen to the river's song, it will help you move along. Time keeps flowing like a stream, carrying hopes in every dream. Changes come with every season, everything happens for a reason. Current strong and current weak, teaching us the truth we seek. Don't fight the natural way, let the waters guide your day. Trust the flow and trust the ride, with the current as your guide. Rivers flow to meet the sea, that's how life's supposed to be. Moving forward, can't go back, following the winding track. Every bend reveals new sight, everything will be alright. Sometimes rapid, sometimes calm, life will never do us harm if we learn to go with flow. Trust the things we cannot know, rocky bottom, sandy shore, each one teaches us much more. Don't fight the natural way, let the waters guide your day. Trust the flow and trust the ride, with the current as your guide. Rivers flow to meet the sea, that's how life's supposed to be. Moving forward, can't go back, following the winding track. Every bend reveals new sight, everything will be alright. Tributaries join our stream, adding to our common dream. What starts small becomes so wide when we let life be our guide. Source to sea, we all belong. Water sings the same sweet song. Rivers flow to meet the sea, that's how life's supposed to be. Moving forward, can't go back, following the winding track. Every bend reveals new sight, everything will be alright. Be alright, be alright. Time keeps flowing like a stream, carrying every hope and dream. Listen to the river's song, it will help you move along.